Hello, doctor. My name is Ginger. I am the creator of Otana. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time, and if you're coming on back, well, welcome back. My work as an educator has always been around how can I take making dot mandalas and make it an easy and accessible process for everyone. So today I'm making my first video that breaks down and shares with you that not all steps within the process of making a mandala are the same. They have different functions. In order for us to understand the functions of each step within the process, I have named them. There are the center dots where everything grows from the mandala. There are structural steps, alignment steps, foundation steps, and decorative steps. By the end of the video today, I want to share with you and help you understand what a structural step is and how important these are to the mandalas that you're making. If you find this video helpful and you want to support me in creating more, you can do so by liking the video, sharing it, and commenting down below. Let's get started with the examples I have to share with you today around structural steps in a mandala. The first thing you need to know is that the structural steps are so important. They are what set up the structure for the entire mandala. The center of the mandala is created first, and then the next step will be the structural step. It has to be. It is going to set up for the rest of the creation of the mandala how many sections there will be. As you'll see in the examples, it's possible that structural steps happen at different points in the creation of the mandala as well. All right, let's take a look at a couple of examples. So the first one I have for you is called the balance mandala. This is an 8-point structure. Take a look here as I point out to you the 8 sections of the mandala that this step sets up, and then how from there the entire mandala grows based on this structural step. Let's look at this one. Now, this particular mandala is a 6-point structure. So right after the center dot was created, the structural step included 6 different dots, and from there the mandala emerged in these 6 sections. This example is a 12-point structure. After the center dot was painted, then the structural step established 12 spaces or 12 sections where the mandala grew outwards from that point onward. So far, all of our examples have had structural steps that occur immediately after the center of the mandala is created. I want to show you one final example just to bring to your awareness that actually structural steps can happen as well as the mandala is evolving. This changes the structure of the mandala into something different, and I call these mandalas transformational mandalas. This particular mandala is an awesome example. It starts out with a center dot, and then the structural step happens, setting it up as a 16-point structure. The mandala evolves, it grows, continuing along its journey as a 16-point mandala. However, it transforms. Another structural step occurs, changing it into an 8-point mandala. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you to understand what I call structural steps within a mandala. Over the next few videos, I'll continue to share more about the types of steps within the mandalas and help you to understand all the components and how they work together. Thanks again for watching.